This is a Fullerton II, 1860 square foot, 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. This is currently in Clay Center, Kansas. It is about to leave. The countertops will be done on site. Therefore, you'll still see some construction going on. Staggered cabinets. Between those two cabinets on the bottom will be a wine fridge. Has yet to be installed. Here's some super deep cabinets. Again, this countertop will be done on site. You can see your trash bins will be right here. Look how deep those drawers are. Here you'll have on either side 2 different pantries. So if we go on the right, this one is a little different than most because the shelving actually goes almost all the way to the ceiling. So it's a great way to take care of the space. If we turn around and we go to the other one, this one's shorter. Built-in wood shelves. This one will have 3 bedrooms, so here's one of the extra bedrooms. The closets will be tucked behind this door. If you like dark wood, this is a good one to go with. Again, these are oak stone cabinets. This bathroom's a little dark. That would be the standard tub. The lights are not up in this house yet in some spots. Your vanity. That would be the second bath. Here's where you come in the house. It's just through the laundry. Space for your laundry. Washer and dryer. This will have a sink. You enter through there, and here is your bench with cubbies. This one also has a fireplace. The stone is not in yet, so it hasn't been done, but it's a good way to see what's behind the fireplace. There's some super nice patio doors. I'm going to swing around here so you can kind of see what goes behind the stone. You can certainly do your stone on site, and we'll have this done for you, ready to go. If you happen to have some local stone person around, you'll have to forgive us. Some of that is some construction stuff. The windows, the door, here's your half wall down to your basement. And now we'll go into the master bathroom, or I'm sorry, the master bedroom. These are larger than our normal bedroom windows. If you want some extra light though, and these certainly have some built-in blinds into the windows. So it's a little bit larger than normal, but you'll certainly get a lot of light coming in through these. As you can see, those have the blinds in the windows to cut down on dust. Here we have a double vanity. Here's your linen. Put all your shampoo, linens, towels, etc. in. I'm sorry, this is a single sink vanity with an Olympic sink. Those are Moen Eva faucets. This one's a little different in that it has a little makeup counter area to get ready. I would actually suggest putting in a mirror off to the right where I'm showing you. As we get older, so I certainly need them. We need a mirror that kind of shows our eyes better so we can put on the mascara and we can actually see ourselves. So think about where your outlets would go in your bathroom. This is one of 2 closets, and this is actually a really nice size closet. Here in the closet, I just want to point out your You can have these poles painted or you can have them stained, so the white or stained, and that's what it would look like. In this bathroom, there's going to be a tub, a freestanding tub right there. It's not in yet. Your toilet would be right there. Again, the Fullerton II house. This is different for a walk-in shower in that the control is actually on the outside, so you can get it warm before you ever get in the shower, which is kind of a cool idea. And you'll have a built-in stool. These Onyx showers are guaranteed for life by the manufacturer, so if there's any problem, you can get it replaced. Benches are always good to add in these. And there's your shower head on this one. This Onyx goes all the way to the ceiling. It's very nice. We'll swing back around through this master bedroom and we'll get you to the last really huge walk-in closet, which actually differs from the original plans that you'll see online. So if you like this, this is something you'd have to request. Your shelving will run down this side. And here you could add shelving or you could put hooks or just enjoy the expansive space there. So this is super deep closet. And we'll go back out to the kitchen.